Welcome guys, to Chic number 10, time to decoupage. I think you're really going to enjoy this item revamp. We are taking boring plastic eggs and turning them into something beautiful for our Easter styling. I promise, once you start, you'll want to make a bunch. Tips and tricks along the way. Let's coast through this easy DIY. The first thing that you'll need to do is to try to find a napkin pattern that you want to use on your eggs. For this, I went straight to HomeGoods and they had so many choices for me to choose from, as you can see. I was going for more of a soft vintage look and less cartoon-like bunny, so this one seemed perfect. These eggs are from Dollar Tree, and in order to do this craft, you need to paint them all white. I used Cloud White by Deco Art, but any white will do. And here's a tip. To speed up the drying process, I used a craft heating tool, but you can also use a blow dryer. If you want to forgo painting altogether, Publix sells these eggs already white, $3.99 for a dozen. I wasn't so lucky, I only saw these after the fact. As the eggs dry, you can get your napkin ready. So in order for the napkin to adhere properly, it has to be in 1-ply. So these are often sold in 2-ply or 3-ply. You need to take the backs off. I'm sharing a trick with you to get that back off even easier. Take a little piece of painter's tape, adhere it to the back, and just pull apart. The back of the napkin is still usable, so it doesn't go to waste. The next step is to cut the images on your napkin out. Since the egg itself is not very big, I cut the pieces small so that it is easier to work with. And here's another tip. If you're able to tear your images out, it works out better with blending of the lines. I, however, was not able to do that because my images were so close together. Place a generous drop of Mod Podge on the area that you're going to begin to decoupage. Spread that evenly with a clean paintbrush. Then with your pieces, you're going to begin to fill in the empty areas. It's like a puzzle, but you really can't go wrong. You just keep carefully smoothing the wrinkles out with your brush. And here, I'm going to give you yet another tip. Dip your brush in a tiny bit of water and smooth the napkin out. The water helps to expand the napkin, but when the napkin dries, it'll dry tight. Tight equals less wrinkles. I used this tray from Dollar Tree to let the eggs dry. 1 napkin goes a long way. I did 5 eggs with just 1 napkin. I also used reindeer moss from Dollar Tree in the bowl where I'm going to be placing the eggs. Reindeer moss looks authentic and it's a great buy at $1.25 for the package of moss. Here are the beauties. I think they came out so precious and I love them so much. You really do need to try this. It's easy, satisfying, and will elevate your table decor very much. Continue watching my other videos for more ideas, bargains, and tips. Please like and share this video with all your coastal friends. See you next time.